Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are enjoying at your places. So, here is your English teacher, Rupali from Vashisht School, Una. As you know that tomorrow there is test of chapter number 4 of first flight. So, today we are going to revise chapter number 4. So, chapter number 4 from the diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank. First of all, we'll read about the author. Anne Marie Frank, popularly known as Anne Frank, was born on 12 June 1929 in Frankfurt, Germany. She was a German-born Jewish diarist. Diarist means who used to write diary. Fleeing Nazi persecution of Jews, the family moved to Amsterdam and later went into hiding for 2 years. During this time, Frank wrote about her experiences and wishes. She was 15 when the family was found and sent to concentration camps where she died. Now, the theme of the chapter, the diary of a young girl, was written at the time of Second World War. It describes the pitiable condition of the Jews as they were the mostly affected by this war. The chapter tells about the pathetic condition of the Jews as they were the most affected by the war. Thousands of Jews were forced to leave their houses and flee to other countries. और ज्यूज़ को क्या करना पड़ा था, अपने घर छोड़ के बाकी कंट्रीज़ में भागना पड़ा था ड्यू टू वॉर. They were supposed to wear a yellow star distinguishing them from others. During the war, they were dragged out of their houses and were sent to concentration camps. Many of the Jews went into hiding a secret annex. The entries of the sounds of guns, sirens, and airplanes continued to create an image of the war scene in front of the reader's eyes. So, the summary. दिस चैप्टर इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ एन फ्रैंक्स डायरी. एन फ्रैंक की डायरी में से लिया गया है तो उसकी डायरी का पार्ट है. हियर शी टेल्स अस अबाउट द अर्ली डेज ऑफ हर लाइफ. शी सेज दैट शी डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग अ डायरी बिकॉज शी डिडंट हैव अ फ्रेंड. She had a sister 3 years older to her. She lived in Frankfurt until she was 4. Her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. क्योंकि उसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं था, only she had an older sister. That's why she thought that there was the need of writing a diary. Anne Frank was sent to Montessori school and stayed there until she was 6. She started going to school in the first form when Anne was in sixth form. Form means standard. और जब वो सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड में हुई, her teacher was Mrs. Cuprus, the headmistress. Both had a great love with each other. Anne had no one in whom she could confide the feelings of her heart. So she decided to make her diary her friend. She called it Kitty. और डायरी का नाम क्या रखा उसने? Kitty. On Saturday 20th June 1942, Anne Frank made her first entry in her diary. बेटा इसमें जो भी dates लिखी हुई हैं, you need to remember them very carefully as now you are going to get objective type questions also in the form of Google form. The first entry was in the form of a letter and was addressed to her diary, Kitty, and describes her experiences with her mathematics teacher Mr. Keesing. सिर्फ एक मिस्टर कीजिंग था जो उसको पसंद नहीं था, राइट. शी वॉज लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन मैथमेटिक्स. इफ़ द रीडिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर इज़ रिमेंबर्ड बाय यू देन यू विल रिमेंबर इट केयरफुली. तो आपको ये याद आ जाएगा. चैप्टर की रीडिंग भी आपने अच्छे से कर लेनी है एक बार फिर से, ताकि जो चीज़ें समरी में नहीं लिखी हैं वो भी आपको याद आ जाएं. एंड राइट्स दैट वन डे मिस्टर कीजिंग पब्लिश्ड हर फॉर टॉकिंग इन द क्लास. He gave her extra homework. He asked her to write an essay on chatterbox. Chatterbox means one who speaks a lot. Anne wrote it, but she again talked in the class. Now Mr. Keesing asked her to write an essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. मतलब वो chatterbox जिसको करेक्ट ना किया जा सके. Mr. Keesing liked the essay written by Anne Frank. But Anne could not give up the habit of talking in the class, so as a punishment, Mr. Keesing asked her to write an essay on an unusual title. और फिर टीचर ने उसको टाइटल दिया quack, 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 and said Mistress Chatterbox. Anne wrote this essay in the form of a poem. It was about a mother duck and the father swan. The essay was about the mother duck and the father swan. The father bit the three ducklings to death because they quacked too much. और स्टोरी क्या थी कि बाद फादर ने अपने डकलिंग्स मतलब जो उनके बच्चे होते हैं द यंग डक्स आर कॉल्ड डकलिंग्स उनको इतना मारा कि वो वैसे ही मर गए. दे डाई बिकॉज दे क्वैक्ड टू मच क्योंकि वो बहुत बोलते थे इसलिए फादर ने उनको मौत के घाट उतार दिया. इट वॉज अ सटायर ऑन मिस्टर कीजिंग और ये एक व्यंग्य था मिस्टर कीजिंग के ऊपर. बट ही टुक द जोक इन द राइट वे. ही read the poem to Anne's class and other classes also. And it he allowed Anne to talk in the class and never again gave her extra homework. और इसके बाद जब ये पोम उसने पढ़ी उसके बाद उसने कि एन को कभी भी बोलने से नहीं रोका. So beta, it's all about the summary and about the author of the chapter. So I will send you one more video today in which I will send you some extra question answers of the chapter, right? So till then kindly prepare the test. Tomorrow there is test of social science and English. Test की अच्छे से तैयारी करो जब तक मैं आपको next video भेजूँगी. Okay, bye students, have a nice day ahead.